Again, our defense step up on this game. So I told them it's about our defense versus their offense. We limit them under 86 points. That's our goal. So credit to the players, to the whole coaching staff, and to the management. We work hard for this. I think yung simula ng season, medyo talagang process kami yung chemistry namin. But now, nag-improve yung chemistry namin because of we started on defense. And I'm very thankful to the whole players because na-adapt nila yung system and hopefully sana makapag-prepare kami ng maayos for the semis. Excited. At the same time, medyo kailangan magtrabaho because medyo yung mga makakatapat natin, medyo mga veterano na rin. So, I think basta lang, sama-sama lang kami. And yun lang naman ang usapan namin. We need to stay together. Sabi ko nga sa kanila nung start ng season, may mga humps tayong dadaanan. May mga losses, may mga panalo na maganda, may mga talo na blowout, may mga talo na close. But we need to stay together. So yun lang yung maganda, natuto kami sa mga experience namin, sa mga game namin sa elimination. And we pick at the right time siguro.
Coach, 5 straight wins. Problema ba yung complacency sa or paano binabalanse?
I think alam naman nila especially yung mga veterans, they are very helpful dun sa pag-message ko sa team namin na it's not hindi namin tinitingnan yung kalaban namin. We respect the game. Yun ang usapan namin. So kung sino man yung makatapat namin, we will prepare hard for them. So I think wala namang sa tingin ko hindi naman sila naging complacent but tingin ko mas agresibo pa sila ngayon.